Hello, good day and welcome. I will be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question 38. The size of angle AOC in the figure above is A 30 degree, B 60 degree, C 90 degree, D 120 degree, and E 180 degree. So we are asked to find the size of this angle AOC. This is this angle here. Now looking at the construction of this angle, let's represent it now. We have a straight line. Let's call the straight line X, Y. And then the center of this line is 0. Now, looking at this, a semicircle was drawn with a given radius. Any radius at all was used to draw a semicircle from this point, that is the center of this line XY, and then the semicircle was drawn like this. Now looking at this very well, the same radius used to draw the semicircle was then used now again to bisect this same semicircle. Now let's call this point here point Z. Now from point Z, the same radius at which this semicircle was being constructed was used to bisect this semicircle, and it occurred here. Then a straight line was drawn connecting point O to this point of intersection. This point of intersection, let's call it F. Now this simple illustration is just a simple method of constructing angle 60 degree. And if you look at this angle very well, this is an acute angle. So even from our options, any option that is not an acute angle is already out. Like C now, which is 90 degrees, already out of the option. D 120 is out of the option, and E is out 180 because this is an acute angle. So it's either 30 or 60 degree. But like I said, this is a construction of angle 60 degree. Now for you to get angle 30 degree, you simply bisect again, dividing this angle 60 degree into 2 to get angle 30 degree, and that will be like something like this. Then you now call this here angle 30 degree. So this angle here is typically angle 60 degree. Because to construct angle 60 degree, this is a procedure you follow. You get your straight line, pick the middle of the line, pick any radius, draw a semicircle with that same radius. You come to this point and then bisect, and that will give you angle 60 degree, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.